Howdy y'all. This is another scenario with the Halo 3 explosion. Now Andrew here is wanting to do one with quite a few vehicles, the Ghosts and the Mongoose, and also a bunch of explosive crates. And what he's going to do it with is the gravity hammer. If you want to look or not. So yeah. Now. He's going. Okay, the secondary one just came out of the middle of nowhere. Alright, he's going to drive on over.
Vibrating.
Sounds like vibrating.
Hopefully they don't hear that.
Oh god! That's a lot of cartridge.
You know there's still 2 minutes.
Wow. Let's go for a second round. How about it?
I'm up for it. It's time with grenades.
Okay, ready? Yeah, let me go after with the flamethrower. So you gotta put that on the ground.
How much time do we have? Like 4 minutes?
Like, yeah.
Like 3:53, I think. You got one ballot of
Can we go do
left.
run them over? Okay, it's all there, I think. Oh wow. The last one was worse.
I think you got time for one more. Once
You're
those
right,
respond.
you're right. Oh, it already blew up.
Huh?
In.
Alright, see y'all.